Let's make a Thuthukudi style Karam Chutney. See the whole video right now. A small piece of tamarind soaked in water. Keep it aside. Onto a blender. Or dry red chilies, cloves of garlic, rough chopped or red onions, some shallots, rough cut tomatoes, the tamarind only that was soaked in the water, 2 tablespoons of the tamarind pulp, or the water, jaggery, Kashmiri chili to get a bright color, just enough salt, cumin seeds. Place everything onto a blender, then blend into a fine, nice paste. Be careful when you open, because there will be a strong smell from the chilies. Keep it aside. Onto a skillet on a medium heat, add gingerly oil. When it's piping or rolling hot, add the mustard seed and let it crack. Add curry leaves and the paste we just made into the hot skillet. Give a quick stir and let it simmer. Just for 1 minute, you will get a nice chutney. It have a little bit of raw flavor in it, but it's very tasty. Or you can cook for another 3-4 minutes. Then it will be a very different flavor. Or you can cook another 2 more minutes and all get the spices cooked. Then you will get a very different bold flavored chutney. That's the 3 stages you can enjoy this Karam Chutney. So good. It will be a beautiful combination with dosa and idli. It have a spiciness, it have a tanginess, it have a little bit of sweetness, but not too much. It's Karam chutney, so it's spicy. Enjoy it. If you like this recipe, please try it. If you like it, share it and comment it and subscribe my channel Jos Moses.